Hello everybody, it's ThesSwedishTraveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. It's going to be the 7th video in my What to Do series. And in this video I do want to talk about Nice in France, the French Riviera. And this might be a shorter one because the city itself isn't really that big compared to the other cities that I've talked about, but that doesn't mean that it isn't really much to do. And the most famous one is just walking around the coast and just going to the beach, chill out, have a great time. Then of course you can go to Old Nice, just exploring exploring the old town, seeing waterfalls, going to parks, going to see a lot of things. And then going to the Cathedral of St. Nicholas, which is a huge landmark. And then going to the port just to see all of the rich men's boats and everything. There's at least that. There are some museums that you can go to, modern contemporary art, amongst other things. And as I said, the cathedral, the Place de Messina, going to see the port. Food-wise, might be more expensive than most places, since it's probably a rich man's city. So bear in mind that it's going to be expensive as yet, but so at least food wise, there's all the other stuff there's in most places really, but it is a great place during the summertime just to have a great time, enjoying the sun, walking on the beach, having a great time. And if you want to, you can go take a train to Monaco, go and visit another country. So yeah, that's the video. Comment below what you think, if I missed anything. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.